In this guide, I'm going to explain in how many devices you can stream at the same time with Amazon account. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon app or navigate to the official website of it, provide your credentials and log into your account. With an Amazon account, you can register and sign in on multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming sticks, gaming consoles, and computers. However, while you can have many devices registered to your account, the number of devices that can stream Prime Video at the same time is limited. Amazon Prime Video allows you to stream up to 3 different titles simultaneously using the same Amazon account. If multiple people want to watch the same movie or a TV show, that title can generally be streamed on up to 2 devices at the same time. If you exceed these limits, you will receive a message asking you to stop playback on another device before continuing. To manage all devices connected to your account, click on the profile icon, click on the option account and settings, head over to the section devices. Here you're going to find out all the registered devices. If you see a device you no longer use or don't recognize, you can simply remove it by selecting re-register. This helps keep your account secure and ensures your registered devices stay up to date. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.